Hello everyone, this is Manak and you are watching Skill Pro. So today we are going to start a new lecture series in AutoCAD. So basically our motto of this particular lecture series is to uh, enable building plan, draw building plan, section and elevation and how to present them in proper scaling sheets and print them PDF or for using printer. So the basic thing is planning, and then we have your section and derivation section of both sides of the plan. So let's get started. We'll start from the basics, and we'll keep just increasing the number of plans and various commands which are required to make the plan system. This video is particularly for civil engineers or architects who are in the building planning field. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you are going to open the AutoCAD using AutoCAD LT 2023. So if you're using in versions earlier than 2021, then some things are different. Like in trim one, you need to press double time. So I'll tell that everything will discuss. So first of all, the first drawing we are going to make using, let's say we're going to make using feet and inches. Okay, so we need to feet and inches. So first of all, we'll just type U and enter, and that is the setting of the unit. So we'll just go to here architectural and precision for the beginning. Just take 1/32 and take this as inches. Okay, and okay. So go to annotate and set your text. So So you can define a new text and you can name T100. So why T100, and now we will discuss the concept of scale later. First of all, let's do T100 here now. And here, you can select any font, I prefer Times New Roman, and give the text height as, you know, let's say 6 inches, right? And after that, you just click on apply and set current and then go. And then you go to your dimension, take a new dimension, give the 300 name and continue. And here also, first of all, go to text and select the text which you have made and we'll do this align with dimension. And primary units make the same as we have defined the units, architectural and section also define the same as we had done for the dimension. So dimension unit and this unit is same. Now go to symbols and arrows, and in symbols and arrows, the arrow size you can make the same as text height or little bit less also. It is okay. 5 inch will do. Okay, and then click on OK, and then set current. So the grid, if you want, you can just keep it or press F7. If you just press F7, then it will disappear. Okay, so like this, you can make this grid. And another thing you can set is the leader. Leader is the arrow. Now single arrow. Dimension has two arrows on both sides. Leader has arrows on one side and another side. It can have text and all. So just set the leader here. Go to new and name this L100 or anything you can name. I'm just doing it and then continue. And then in the content here in the leader structure in the format, and first of all, the arrow size make the same as that one, 5 inch. Let's click, and in the content you can see the text style. Make this 300. The text is your name. Okay, and click on OK, and click on set current. So all these three things are set. So now what we need now, we are talking about the scale of 100. So you can just go to any particular part. Let's go, and you can just check the A4 size paper. So we are going to print our drawing in A4 size paper in inches. So it is 8.75. You can see here 8.5 into 14 inches legal, and A4 size is 210 into 297 mm. So it is 8.25 into 11.75, right? It's A4 size paper. So A4 size paper size we know. Let's take a rectangle. Click here and don't do anything. Click here and type at the rate 8.75, comma. Sorry, it will be 8.35. My mistake. It is at the rate, press at the rate, and then 8.25, comma. 11.75. So this is the A4 size paper, original type. So now scale it by 100 to accommodate the drawing. SP enter. Take this and press 100 enter. So this is the scaled A4 paper. Because our dimension of the plot will be much, so that's why we taken. If this is not okay, then we can increase or decrease the thing. So let us give a let's say an offset of let's say 1 or feet, and let's give a internal dimension here like this, and then select this and type EX and select the export. So this will be now, earlier it was a single object, now it is 4 objects. So now let's give 2.6 feet offset, and then here let's make some division. So 4 divisions we have made. Now this 4 divisions we can actually make for just take the turn on the ortho from here and do this, and then TR enter. And if you're using earlier version of AutoCAD, make sure you will press TR double enter. So here we can place the direction symbol. So CAD blocks, you can download CAD blocks from the internet. So suppose download direction CAD blocks, and you can enter the models, and then you can download it from here, this kind of CAD blocks, and you can just have that simple everything. Just click here and it will download. So I already have downloaded some CAD blocks. I'll just open the CAD blocks there. CAD blocks. You can save this CAD blocks like that. Directions and everything. All the things you can just save here like this. So let me just download here this one, and let's see this particular CAD block. Just click on. I think at this the extension not dealer module. See, it is the downloading the extension. Let's click here and see what it does. So okay, this seems okay. Well, downloading my CAD block folder. So this will give direction, or is the cardinal direction of the cardinal direction, and it's going folder, and this cardinal direction is open. We can take any CAD block like this. So let's take this one. This one looks good. This one, Ctrl+C, and then you can download any. There are various types of CAD blocks available. You can see the size is not okay. So just place it here and then select, and then FC enter. Make sure just to select the any point near the center or the central point, and approximately do this scaling, and then turn off the ortho, and then you can see compare this here, and again FC enter somewhere at the center, and let's do point 6 times. So this is done, and now I can place it here like this. So if you want to change this, you can double click and OK, and then you can change. Suppose I want to just change the knot will be at the top, and this so you can do this. Suppose I want to give move this M enter here, and M enter. This is north, and this will be let's say east, M enter. So based on the direction of the plot, you can just give it here south, enter. So like this, you can change save changes, and now you can change the make changes in the block. So like this, and here you can write about the skills about the drawing here in this, and here will go your drawing. So whenever you let's take a drawing file here. So let's take the plot size first here. So the plot size maybe taking rectangle. Let's take at the rate, and take at the rate, and let's take a plot size of 40 feet, comma 50 feet. So this is the plot size, and let's put it inside the block. This is the plot size, and we can give it a color because this is not the plot size. And we'll have an offset here, and offset along all the sides. Let's take an offset of 3 feet, right? 3 feet, 3 feet, enter. And this one, let's select this and EX and select it. So it is exploded. Now 4 different points. So this one, we just change the color to bilayer. So this is our building. So we have left 3 foot from, actually all the sides from the boundary. We have left 3 foot, and in this particular area we will be constructing the building. So let's take the outer walls of 10 inches. You can take outer in a both of 9 inches or 5 inches also, because in RCC it doesn't really matter much. So RCC building. So outer wall I'm taking 10 inches here, and we're going to give some things here depending. Let's take 14 feet, uh, 14 feet space here for the garage, and first of all let's plan the staircase here from here. And for planning the staircase, let's give a tread of 10 inches, and width of the staircase, let's give 3 feet 3 inches. Okay, so offset 3 feet 3, and from here let's take 3 feet 3 inches, and 2 inches gap between the two flights, 2 inches gap, and then again over enter 3 feet 3, and select this, do here like this, and again the 10-inch wall for the staircase, 10-inch wall for the staircase. Okay, so again from here we'll go like this, offset, and offset of 10 inches for the where you place the steps. So there is one riser, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 into 2, 20 number of risers. That's CR, double enter if you're using AutoCAD earlier version, single enter if you're using the new version. Okay, uh, earlier than 20. So like this, we're going to trim this part, and let's give a landing of 3 feet 3 inches. Here, this is the landing. Let's 10 inches on here, and you can just use the TR enter or double enter, and then close this part. And this also internal part, you close this, and you will join this pair like this. Take a line and join it. Here enter. So this one we can just keep for the door and all, the door or gate purpose. We can keep this, so we can give it later. So this is the let's see what is the dimension of this. This is the portion here, 12 feet 5 inches, which is enough for mini car. So 12 feet 5, and by the way, dimensions also you can check here. So let's suppose the uh, Maruti Alto dimension. You can check whether this car will come or not. You can see this is the width 1490, and the highest dimension is obviously the length 3.445. So if you convert here, I just want the calculator, 3.5, let's say, okay, 3.5 meter into 3.28 is equals to 11.48. So in 12 feet, this car will come easily. So if this is your 12 feet 5 inches. So quite easily it will come. Okay. So let's take a line along this. Take turn on board here. let's take a lining this and 5 inches wall maximum required, and then you can place the car here. And for the width also, let's take here 12 feet for the width. Okay, and another 5-inch wall, let's say, and this is done here like this. Yes, enter, and this is also select yes, enter, and then left click and select. This will be the garage door, and this is where you place the car, and this will be a drawing. So now you can write here multi-line text, and here make a box here like this, make this as parking, and you can measure this and write the dimensions here. So this is 12 feet and this is 12 feet. So write here parking 12, 12 feet into 12 feet. Okay, like this you can do. Later we'll go enter the furniture here, and this let us make our drawing room. Okay, so let's take the dimension of this drawing room here, 12 feet 5 inches, and this is obviously the same 12 feet. So you can just copy this part, and this will be drawing room, and this is 12 feet 5 inches, the first dimension, and into 12. So this is the case, and let's make the entrances also. Okay, so suppose the stairway will be obviously going clockwise, so we'll take an entrance of 3 feet 3 inches here. O enter 3 feet 3, enter, select this, and then select here like TR, enter, or double enter in the earlier version, and then you can keep this, and after that we can give a door here. Okay, for the parking also we'll give a representation of that one. Give a representation of a collapsible door or a shutter, rolling shutter. Okay, so we can just give here right here RS or rolling shutter. Okay, which will the rolling shutter here for the parking, and here we'll provide a door here, a normal door we'll provide. So let's make a door and just see how to make a door here. Select line here, and the line total keep it 3, enter, and then make a rectangle here at the rate 1 comma 1. Select this, move this to this part, select this, copy, move this to this part. Okay, take a rectangle again, and this will be at the rate 1 comma, this is 3 feet 3 in row, like let's take 2 feet 3. So this for the representation purpose, take this for corner and put it here, and then you can take a this arc, turn off the outflow, click here, and click at the center, and then click here. Let's do this, and then select this, and then move it here, right? And then you can TR, enter, and delete this, and HA, we hatch this part. This will be solid, and you can give it any color. This portion also HA, can give it any color, and here also. So make sure you set this a little bit, make it look better, and then just select this and re-enter and do D. So this is turned into a block now. Okay, So right now this is turned into a block. So for this portion, now we need to mirror this. Let's mirror this portion, turn on the auto. Yes, don't erase code for it. And select this and move. And we'll place it here. Move it. This is a door. We can give a representation of this here in as D, like this. D for the door. Here enter. Zoom and do like this and bring this way. This is only for the new version. The older version you have to do it one by one. Okay. So do like this and let's make another door space here also. This door will open inside. So offset 3 feet 3 inches from here and then here enter this zoom and like this and entire thing will delete it. Only in the earlier version work. So here this will move, take this point and paste it here. Select this, copy, take it here, move, take it upwards. So this is your drawing room and this is your parking and this is obviously your staircase. You need to compulsorily write something in the staircase. Just taking this part up to this much and here IRCASC staircase. Don't need to write this in the staircase. Other things you need to write, you can just better you show the dimension. Easier. Turn on the output here. 6 feet 80 inches. Feet, okay. 3 feet 3 inches. And this also show the dimension here, 3 feet 3 inches. Okay, and another thing we need to write, take the multi-line text here. R, that is the riser, equal to 6 inches. And the tray is equal to 10 inches. All this explanation I will do staircase part. Don't worry. Okay, many people have confusion the staircase. So this explanation we will do one by one. This is just the beginning lecture just to make yourself comfortable in making a plan. Okay, drawing room, parking, and here same this thing will do offset 3 feet 3 and we'll give a door here to enter the remaining of the rooms. PR enter. Zoom in and cut this and everything will be cut here like this and the same door and everything. Just we can take it from here and take it up to there. But if you notice here, the door will be better and take less space if we go this in this side. So you can just select this and you can mirror. Okay, auto is on and erase source of the case, and then you can move and move it here like this. So here is the door drawing room and here is the door to for the remaining of the rooms. Okay. Now you can observe that we can give some bedrooms. So for the bedroom, let's take 13 or 14 feet set from this side and 5 inches wall. Okay, 5 inches wall and then TR enter. Cut this portions. Okay, so here the space we are having is 32 feet. So let's take a bedroom of let's say 15 feet, right? 15 feet and 15 feet. So here you can take a little bit more if you want to keep the toilet here, or if you want to give the toilet here in these two portions, Then you can have some space also. So let's give more. Let's take offset of 16 feet. So 16 feet from here, and whatever remaining offset 5 inches. This will be the TR enter. Let's see the dimension here for these two bedrooms. Select copy, and this one bedroom. Let's take the dimension here for the bedrooms. 16 feet obviously this is there, and this is obviously 14 feet. And let's take that this one only is the mystery, is 15 feet 11 inches. So this will also be bedroom. Okay. Turn on the workflow. This will be 15 feet 11 inches into it is 14 feet, right? So correction 14. This is also 14. So select this, and this is the bedroom. And for the bedroom also make sure the door 3 feet 3 inches. Door for the bedroom. Here enter, double enter in earlier versions. Zoom in. In earlier versions you have to cut the entire thing one by one. Okay. So let me keep this. It may be useful for putting the doors. So just take this door. Okay. Copy and put it here, and also here. So let's see what arrangement will be suitable. Select this and mirror. This door will be suitable. It has also the gears. Now select this and move. Take this point and paste it here. So this is the most. You can also rotate it. I think. Okay, rotate it like this. Now we just select this and mirror. Now this will be the most suitable. Yes. Like this and move. So this is the most suitable in terms of space arrangement. Here also, make sure you just rotate this like this, and here, let's see if you mirror this. Yes, and select and move. Take this point and paste it like this and delete. These are the two bedrooms. Obviously, the bedrooms will need some attached toilets. So let's keep toilets here 4 feet. Can give toilets inside in this two side, but in the space, so here we can give right. The back side also we can give toilets, but inside since your space, so we are giving it 4 feet 6 inch and 4 feet 6 inch, right? And then let's take 6 feet 5 inch, right? 6 feet 5 inch from here, 6 feet 5 inch from here, and then the 5 inch walls. Outside, right? Here enter and double enter in the earlier version. Zoom and do like this. Everything will be deleted. Zoom and do like this. Everything will be deleted. We'll delete this later. Same for this. Delete this. Delete this. Zoom and do like this. Everything will be deleted. Okay. This is the usefulness of using the new version. There are some trick shortcuts. A 2 feet 6 is the bathroom door. So it is the bathroom door here, not here. Sorry, it is the both are attached toilets. Okay. So offset 2 feet 6 inches. The entry to the bath bedroom. Both are attached toilets. Here enter. Select this. Select this. Select this. And select this. Okay, this is the entry for the bathroom. Zoom and do like this, and then zoom and do like this, and that thing will be created like this. So here now we get to make another one. Okay, so that one is for the bathroom. So take a line here. Let's take this line. like this, and offset here, sorry, rectangle at the rate 1 comma 1, enter, and place this rectangle here, and place this, copy this rectangle from here to here, and then one rectangle here at the rate 1 comma, let's give 2, sorry, not this 2, again let me try, at the rate 1 comma 2 feet. So this one, move it, and take this point and take up to here, and take an arc here, this, and this we can make into block, we enter, and we'll name this T2, right? Remaining changes will do inside the block, enter, okay. First of all, we'll cut this line, okay, let's trim this, here enter, this, H enter, and this, and this, and this one will do, okay, let's give escape, and then H enter, and another hatch, let's take this one, and do this, right? So close block editor and save. This one will be our D2 or D1, whatever you want to call it. Call it D1, let's say D1. Okay. So this thing will copy from here to here. So let me check this. Okay, this 6 inches short. So this will make this 6 inches. Pointer 6. Move, trim, so this is done. So these are the two attached toilets. Now we can trim the portions which you don't need actually. And for the remaining guests, you can make an attached toilet here. Okay, so make an attached toilet here. So let's select this and EX enter. The remaining portion will make a common toilet, not an attached toilet, common toilet here, and we'll give a door here 2 feet 6 inches. So here enter. So this thing, just copy this one, rotate, move, this one also turn off the auto and move. So this one also can write the dimension here, toilet, this is 4 feet 6 inches. Into 6 feet 5 inches. Check the dimension. Okay. Same dimension toilet is this one also. Select copy, auto is turned on. This one, and we'll just take the dimension of this. Obviously 4 feet 6 inches is constant, and the remaining 6 feet 5 inches of what is the length here, 8 feet 8 inches, right? 8 feet, right? This is the toilet here, common toilet, which is available in here. And now the remaining space, this one can be used, for various purposes. So the utility portion which we need here is the one thing is the your kitchen, right? We need the kitchen, and also we'll need the dining space which can be done. So let's see what is the space which is available here. So it is 8 feet 8 inches. Okay, so 8 feet 8 inches. So this portion can be used for the kitchen. So let's give a portion for the kitchen counter, 1 feet 6 inches, right? This portion is kept for the kitchen counter here like this, and 1 feet 6 inches. Let's take from here also. Okay. Trim here, enter, zoom in, and just zoom in further and close this. So this will entire thing be created. Zoom in further and close this. Entire thing be created like this. Okay, and we can just select this and ex enter and select this like this. Will be join. Will be kitchen counter made. Tr enter. 1.6-inch length, and we write here kitchen. So this is an open kitchen here, and open kitchen portion. So no need to just give the dimension here. So this is KITCHEN kitchen. Okay, this is the kitchen, and this is the uh, living and dining area, remaining portion. Entire thing is a spacious arrangement, and this is the living and dining. Dimension is not required, just keep the name here, and this also just give the just give a random dimension here which is required for making here this one, and this one already we have in the static portion, and this one also just give the dimension around the also to give the dimension. Lots of space. We are having spacious arrangement, and in the save this file, let's save this file as CAD blocks only. Let's say so drawing day one. So day one we have done this drawing, and save this. We can do a lot other things, but let us first see what this printing this file looks like. Ctrl plus P, and then select any thing. You can just select Microsoft Print to PDF, or else you can just select DWG to PDF. Okay, because this will be available for all, and you can select the A4 size paper, and size A4 297 into 210 into 297. You can see this one is the portrait and this thing portrait and the landscape. So select this portrait. Okay, portrait. So no, sorry, A3 I've selected 210 297. This one is the portrait, and then select the this one window, and select the window from the outer this water to the outer, and select the center to the plot, and then select OK. Before OK, also you can just select the preview. See the preview of the PDF. The PDF will appear like this, and you can just click on escape and then click on OK, and whatever you want, you can save this. This will be done, and it will open in this PDF. You can see this is a PDF. All the dimensions and text are visible. So this is your day one plan portion which you have made. We will go further and complete this plan, and also the elevation of this plan, and then we will continue this series. So make sure you drop a like, and also consider subscribing the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.